Welcome to My Nissan, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Sirius XM satellite radio, wood dashboard insert, heated rear seats, auto high beam headlamp control, AM/FM audio system, heated front seats, outside temperature display, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, wood console insert, rain-sensitive windshield wipers. Since 1989, family-owned My Nissan has been proudly providing the best shopping experience for all of our friends and neighbors here in Salinas. We have low prices every day and have extended warranties offered on all vehicles, new, used, and certified pre-owned. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff is here to make sure that you drive home in a vehicle that is just right for you. So come visit us today at My Nissan in the Salinas Auto Mall.